Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your email on Pinterest. First of all, you can open the Pinterest application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can now tap on the profile icon again at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can tap on account management in your account section, and after this you can see the option email address. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on the email address. You can just simply remove the first email address and enter a new email address. After entering the new email address, you can now tap on next at the top right corner of the screen, and it is the way you can change email on Pinterest. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.